Hey, welcome back to our new video. For more information, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. So today, the Shopify store we are discussing is the Shopify store for the person who just seek out for the deals. The deals everyone wants to gain, everyone wants to achieve. So today's store name is a Last Stop Deals. It has men's fashion, it has everything, woman, man, accessories, fashions. If you talk about beauty, bring perfect beauty. Let's be beautiful, be colorful, and be you never too old for a makeover. Explore your true style. Quality never goes out of style. High style, exceptional service. If you talk about men's fashion, it's hard to be nice if you don't feel comfortable. Accept more from your clothes. Get fit today if you want to be hit in life. You gotta be fit and fine. Fitter, healthier, happier. So they just welcome you on their store. Their aim is to strive for great efficiency and mutual benefit by providing excellent services. Their main goal is to maintain satisfaction with the highest quality products at most competitive prices. Last Stop Deals is the store that provide you everything. You just not have to rush for something to anywhere. They aim their aim is to offer their customer the best and latest selection they have come along with. So they know exactly which direction to take when supplying you with high quality yet budget friendly products. They offer all of this while providing excellent customer service and family support. They always keep an eye on the latest trends in products for your needs and put their customers' wishes first. That is why they have satisfied their customers all over the world, and they are thrilled to be a part of Last Stop Deals family. The interest of their customer are always a top priority for them. So they hope you will enjoy their product as much as they enjoy making them available to you. And in the end, they will just thank you for your convenience and for coming on your store. If you talk about, they have electronic gadgets, technology for innovators, magical and revolutionary device at unbelievable prices. If you talk about smartwatches, let your smartwatch do the talking, smart on the inside, fashionable on the outside. For more information, kindly share our video with your friends. See you in the next video.